Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you've been on the channel before, you know I absolutely love BeyondATC. It is one of the best add-ons, if not the best add-ons for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 and 2024. However, when they added traffic, obviously that was going to hurt the performance a little bit of your sim. Well, with this new trick that recently I discovered, you can improve your performance with BeyondATC traffic. Let's check it out. So first off, this add-on mod works only with FSLTL. So if you use BeyondATC for the model matching, you must be using FSLTL. And to verify what you're using in BeyondATC, if you bring up the screen like this, you'll see at the bottom model matching. And so priority matching I have is FSLTL. And you can also see here are the settings I use for my BeyondATC traffic. Okay, now with that done, the next thing you want to do is go to the website to grab this information. And that is in the link in the description at flightsim.to. It is the downgraded textures for FSLTL, FPS booster. Now you go ahead and download that that file. It's going to download a RAR file. So it's going to be airplanes.rar. The next thing you need to do is download the GitHub MSFS layout generator. And by clicking on that button, you download that. Once you have that downloaded, come back to this video. Okay, so at this point, you should have both of those two downloaded on your PC. Now, to unzip a RAR, you need to use WinRAR, or if at this point, it is built into Windows 11. I'm not quite sure on that point, but I use WinRAR nevertheless. So go ahead and extract that to wherever you like, and it will go ahead and extract. The next thing while that's working is you need to find in your community folder for Flight Sim 2020 or Flight Sim 2024 where you have the liveries installed. And to do that, it's very simple as well. So we bring up our community folder. So for my example, I have it on my K drive, Steam apps, common, limitless is the folder. And then in community, you're going to find I have FSLTL traffic base. So you're going to go ahead and open that up. The next thing you're going to do is open up sim objects. Now in the tutorial on flightsim.to, it says to make a copy of airplanes. You certainly can do that. I did not, and all seemed to work just fine. Once you locate that folder, you need to go into the airplanes VRT3M folder and copy over the airplane folder to the community folder in Flight Sim. Okay, so you're going to drop the airplanes folder that was from the WinRAR into the sim objects folder for FSLTL and overwrite all the files. Pretty simple, right? Once you have that done, you're going to take that MSFS layout generator and drop it into your base FSLTL traffic base folder. And once you have that done, as you see here, you're going to take the layout file here and drop it on top of that MSFS layout generator. And what this is going to do is going to override some settings. It's going to bring up a Windows DOS, I call it DOS still, a Windows screen. It's going to do some things in the background, and all will be grand. Then launch up BeyondATC, and you'll now have 2D textures for FSLTL, which then means Flight Sim 2024 will run smoother. Now, keep in mind that if you are running Flight Sim 2020, you do not have to do the MSFS layout generator. That is only for Flight Sim 2024. So if any of these steps were confusing, follow them on the link, in that link at flightsim.to, and enjoy the new FPS improvements with Flight Sim 2024 and BeyondATC traffic. We'll see you next time. Take care.